Okay, here's exercise. Number 1. Write the Roman numerals and the chord symbols for the chords in the following B-flat blues progression. So this is a B-flat major. So first 4 majors are in B-flat. Chord symbol is B-flat and tonic. And major 5, it changed to subdominant E-flat. Roman numeral as this. And then tonic chord is again in major 7 and 8. So B flat again and tonic. Major 9 is dominant 7, which is F7 chord and dominant 7. Then major 10, subdominant, which is E flat. And last 2 majors are back to tonic, B flat. There's one thing to know. If the chord continues for several measures, you need to write the chord symbol only when it first appears like this. So you don't need to write chord symbol for major 2, 3, 4. Next, number 2. Write a 12-bar F blues progression using the tonic, subdominant, and dominant 7 chords. Write Roman numerals below the step and chord symbols above the step. So first 4 major, it keeps same chord as F. So I'm writing same chord. And major 5 changed to subdominant, which is B flat. B flat. So B flat D F and subdominant. Then major 7 back to tonic as F. And 8, major 8 again. And major 9 is dominant 7, which is C7. So C, E, G, and B flat, dominant 7. Major 10, subdominant, which is B flat. And last 2 major are F again for the end. F. Okay. Last, number 3. Write a 12-bar G blues progression using the tonic, subdominant, and dominant 7 chords. Write Roman numerals below the step and chord symbols above the step. Then use a smooth chord progressions and omit the 5th of the dominant 7 chord. It is a little different with the number 2 because we need to use a smooth chord progression. So let's make the answer together. Just the same way in the first 4 major using G chord. G. And in major 5 chord is changed to subdominant, which is C. In number 2, we draw the chord just like a triad, C, E, G, right? Okay, I'll just write it here, C, E, G like this. But now we have to make a smooth chord progression, which means to write the chord as close as the previous one. So if possible, out voice like melody and bass note should be kept same note or moved just one or two step up or down. But mostly good chord progression is to keep the same bass note like a pedal point. So I will keep the same bottom note G here and then build the chord G, C, E. Looks like second inversion. So like this. Major 7 and 8 is tonic chord again, G. Major 9 is dominant 7 as this is the 7 chord, which is D, F sharp, A, and C. So but it say to omit the 5th note A. So I will write the dominant chord with those 3 notes D, F sharp, and C. But there are not same bottom note as G like a previous one. So I will use F sharp in the bottom instead. So F sharp and then C and D. So now we can keep the same melody line, which is a good chord progression. So Roman numeral first inversion. Here's subdominant. It's the same thing. And major 5, C, and then G, C, E. Second inversion. Then last two ending majors is back to tonic as G. Roman.